SI fam, so to get started on installing the Billet front grill, you're gonna need a screwdriver, a flathead, a drill, some type of rotary tool, a cutting tool. It could be a rotary or a jigsaw, and you're gonna have to have some patience. Yeah, so that's what you're gonna need to cut this thing out. You guys stay tuned into the video. I must say this was a little time consuming for me because I burnt up a couple I burnt out my original rotary tool, which was a little small one, was not cut out for it. So I got a new one. It did take me some time to do this, you guys, but you know, stay tuned to see how the whole Billet grill turned out, you guys. So yeah. What's up, SI fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so I can get notified every time we post. With that being said, SI fam, today, we are installing the Billet front grill for Project OBS. This was a Christmas gift. So I'm very much thankful for the person that bought me this. This is a Christmas gift, and we're gonna be putting it in Project OBS. So we got the grill. I already went ahead and took it out the packaging. This right here is the instructions. Let me grab a scissors real quick. We got scissors real quick. So we got the instructions right here. You got the instructions. So yeah, we got the instructions right here, you guys. That first clip, my head might be cut off a little bit, but I kind of want you guys to get the authentic thing and everything. So right now, I'm looking at the instructions. So we have the instructions. You do have to cut. It says hacksaw. I'm not gonna use a hacksaw. I'm actually gonna use my little small rotary tool right here. Use the cutting blade with this and cut around the grill out. So it's pretty much simple. So you use that. This is your instructions for it. So I'm gonna right now. I see this, got this. I'm gonna scoot the bolts and stuff out the way real quick. It shouldn't be too bad. Let's scoot these out the way. Then we're gonna set this aside. And then I'm gonna actually grab the actual Big Daddy grill right here. So we're using this grill right here to put the bolts and stuff in. Right now we have to cut out the middle part, this part right here. We actually have to cut this part out. I'm actually going to use my rotary tool, and I'm gonna cut around this part out, and then we're gonna mark it up, install it, and then from there we're gonna be able to like secure it in there. So yeah, let's get into it, SR fam. I hope you guys are excited. I keep saying that. I hope you guys are excited because I'm excited for this. And while I'm talking to you guys, I'm going to get my cutting saw with my rotary tool. Hope you guys are excited because I am excited. So I hope you guys are excited. So sandpaper. Cutting blade. So yeah, we're gonna knock all this out, and then I'm gonna try to give you guys some good footage with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble all this together, and then I will jump back on the camera once we are ready to start everything and get everything situated. That's all, fam. So I have the rotary tool with the cutting blade on it. I do have gloves on, and I have protective eyewear just in case anything flies up on me. So we're gonna get into actually going ahead and cutting around the grill. So yeah, enjoy this montage.
GMC, you made this?
Alright, that's all, fam. So as y'all can see, we finally got it cut out. Like we finally got it cut out, y'all. Like, use a little rotary tool. We finally got it cut out. Did take me a little minute to like finish everything, but we finally got it cut out. So here's the whole piece. So we're gonna discard this. Put this to the side. Somewhere out the way. So now all we really gotta do, y'all, is go around and clean up the sides where we still got plastic sticking up. But right now I'm gonna set the grill in there so we can get a low something how the grill gonna look in there. And y'all, it's like plastic all over my floor. Like, this is a lot going on right now. But let's set this in here. Let's see. Like I said, we still gonna have to like clean it up and cut it some more. There you go. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to clean it up some. Let me stand it up so y'all can see real quick. It's kind of gonna look like this, but like I said, we gotta go around and clean everything up. And once we get everything cleaned up, then we can really start putting the billet grill insert inside the grill. So right now, I just want to jump back on the camera and show you guys where we're currently at with everything. Y'all see it's completely cut out. Now we just gotta go fine tune and clean everything up. So yeah, let's get into it, you guys. Alright, that's all, fam. So we went around and started cutting like the pieces out around, like trimming everything up. But I just went back and tried to do a test fit on the grill. It didn't sit in. So now I'm fixing to take this black part out right here, and then that should be right on the chrome. So I'm about to get into cutting this. Actually, I had to upgrade to a bigger rotary tool. So I had to get a bigger one. Yeah, with more power. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this out and then try to pre-fit it again and see if that worked. But yeah, I had to like pause and go look at another video. So now I'm about to be working to cut this out, and then once I cut this out, I'll be this piece right here, this black piece right here. Once I get it out, I'm gonna test fit it again and then let you guys know. Alright, that's all right, fam. So after a couple of days, we are back, y'all. We are back. I burned up a rotary tool. I had to get another one. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is my first time doing this. So I haven't learned a lot by doing this. As y'all can see, I kind of went all the way down into this part because you know you got a little black piece to stick up. So I got it evenly in there. So I got to cut it down, got it evenly in there how I want it to sit. So now I'm fixing to go ahead and pre-drill the holes up here. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill the holes. I did sand it down a little bit, got everything smooth for the most part. Got it sitting in there flush. It's giving, you know, it's giving. So I've learned a lot. Like I said, I've learned a lot in this. Y'all bear with me. I'm doing this the first time I'm doing this. I'm enjoying doing this. As you can see, we got like my cuts are not perfect, by far not perfect, but when you learning and you teaching yourself how to do something, you do your best you can do at the particular thing you're doing. So yeah, we got it drilled out. I mean, cut out. Everything's cut out. We got it cut down. We got it set in it how we want it to be set. It looks awesome. I did flip it over, but I'm gonna go ahead and pre-mark the holes, and then we gonna go ahead and get the drill and make sure everything is secure and get everything on the thing, and then try to put it on the truck tonight. So yeah. All right, SOI fam. So we got everything bolted up. I want to get you guys a good look at this. We got everything bolted up. I pre-drilled the holes and then went and took the hand screwdriver and tightened everything up. So as y'all can see, we got everything bolted, tightened down. This is the top of the grill. Bolted, tightened down, tightened down, tightened down. All right, so you guys ready for the final review? Let's get it. All right, so as you guys can see, we got the grill installed. It looks good. Y'all, this took a lot, but I must say, doing it was definitely fun, you guys. Can't wait to really see the finished product on the bumper. I mean, on the grill. Oh, sorry, on the truck. I can't wait to see the finished product on the truck. You see you drilled at the top. I would say do this in the area because you're gonna have a lot of plastic, like debris and stuff. So I got to sweep and stuff like that. But like I said, this is the final project, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me drop down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. But this is how you install the bullet grill on the thing. Again, I've seen many videos on this, so you can pick the best way. But this is the way I did it and the way that worked best for me.